Well, good everyone, this is Vicky, and Vicky's just finished the Unlock Your Vision workshop. Vicky, a lot's happened for you. Tell me a little bit of it.
It's been a great day. I mean, it was a struggle getting here for a whole lot of reasons this morning, and I thought, oh gosh, I've missed the most important part, but no, I haven't. And so I wasn't going to show my vision board, but I'm going to. So, yeah. So it doesn't have a lot on it, but it says a lot for me. You know, these are my values and how I live my life, and it's really interesting how it's just all pulled together. And I've done vision boards before, and those things have not all appeared. A lot of those things have appeared. But with this one, there's so much more heart in this vision board, and it's less about show and more about how I feel. And so I'm really, really grateful. It was a completely different process from what I was expecting. I knew it was going to be different, but I didn't know how different. And I'm just so grateful, and thank you very much.
It's good. So, Vicki, someone else is thinking about, should I come to do this or not? What would you say to them?
Yeah, definitely. It's come with an open mind, and also come with the ability to just reflect on you, reflect on your life, reflect on what's important to you, and you'll get a lot out of it.
Excellent. Thank you.